Black Friday. 93% off. On lifetime plan. Plus free password manager. Get the deal. 15-day money-back guarantee. As seen on. Browse the internet safely. How often do you browse the internet by connecting to public Wi-Fi? Or, how often do you click on random links? Data theft, device compromisation, and other cybercrimes are at large nowadays. FastestVPN is the best VPN provider that ensures data protection by encrypting your connection. This way, you're allowed to browse the internet however you want, and whenever you want, without any limitations. A VPN for every device. We understand that people use more than one device. And as such, they want to ensure that every device they own stays protected. FastestVPN offers apps that are compatible with all major devices, including Windows, Mac, iOS, Android, Fire TV, and more. You can also install the VPN in a router and get VPN protection on more than 20+ platforms. Get FastestVPN now. Unhindered speeds and bandwidth. If you're accessing streaming services or playing games in real time, stable speeds and unlimited bandwidth is crucial. All of the FastestVPN servers are optimized to 10 gigabits per second speeds and faster. This way, you can bypass ISP speed and bandwidth throttling and eliminate buffering issues and high ping. Tip: use the WireGuard protocol for faster speeds. FastestVPN bringing you industry-leading features. Take control of your privacy online and securely use the internet with FastestVPN. We offer industry-leading features that lead you to the best browsing experience. NAT Firewall. Create an extra layer of online protection against threats. Prevent malware and other malicious intrusions from accessing your device. WireGuard protocol. FastestVPN brings you the fastest and safest protocol in the industry, WireGuard. Get connected and experience secure and unhindered speeds. 24/7 live chat. Got a query? Need some technical assistance? You can contact the FastestVPN Live 24/7 chat support or resolve the issue via email. P2P file sharing. You can now securely download and upload P2P files safely over the internet using FastestVPN's secure servers. Ad blocker. Tired of ads constantly popping up? With FastestVPN's ad blocker, prevent ads from constantly flooding your screen. 10 multi-device connections. Secure all of your devices in one go with FastestVPN. We give you access to 10 multi-device connections over any subscription. Experience unhindered speeds with 10 Gbps ultrafast servers. In 60+ locations. See what others are saying about FastestVPN.